Sean Henson with Video Diary for Sprint 3. Okay, so last week when I was making my test demo game, I saw that the FBX conversion wasn't automated, so I quickly added that in here in my resource manager in the add models call. And then otherwise, this week I got the collisions going with the OBBs when it came to OBBs themselves, but otherwise I'm still caught up. Need to get caught up with the other two collisions for that. So as you can see here, I do have an OBB simulated and running. I just need to do it for the other two, which won't be too hard. Well, shouldn't be too bad, I'm hoping. Otherwise, those were added in as collision volumes and my collider volumes right over here. And otherwise, this week I did research on mainly particle systems because besides the time management, I wanted to incorporate a simple particle system. So I did some research on that, and this guy here kind of walks through and how to set up a basic one. So I'll probably run through this guy's test code here and see how this runs, and if it works just fine, then I'll probably try and implement that into a system. And otherwise, the only other assignment that I want to be doing is figuring out how my handling down the slowing down and speeding up of time, so to speak. And what I thought of doing is in my time manager, since I found this is probably more of a tool for the user to use and not really an actual component, so I'll leave this open for the user to mess with right now, where it'll be a variable called, I want to call it Unity calls it delta time. I'll just call it ice time or something like that. And then the user can go into the time manager and call ice time value, and they can change that. And if whatever they multiply by that will affect their speeding up and slowing down. So I'm thinking this is where I'm going to be putting that at, but that'll need to be tested throughout the weeks and get some final draw-ups on that. Anyway, that's the end of this video.